there is a need for change in leadership, there is a need for good governance, there is a need for a group of people who are sincerely dedicated towards the improvement of the city and towards the well-being of the citizens of the city, and not those who are there to fill their own pockets. If you are really concerned about the city and about the state of affairs, get up, raise your voice, speak about issues which you think are wrong, and come out there and please vote.
Friends of my Panjim and whoever comes under the municipality, think and vote for a good governance where you will be able to answer your future. Suppose my son or my daughter tomorrow they should ask me, what have you done for your land? I should be able to answer them.
If there is no leadership, it's free for all. Probably what's happening right now. So we should have a good leadership, corruption-free governance of the CCP, and stability. Now, all this parking problem, the flooding problem, the scams and all probably is taking place because the integrity and basic honesty is lacking. Probably there is hardly any vision in the current council. So we need a strong leadership with a good vision and totally corruption-free and honest and integrity people to deliver.
We have a good leader for Panjim, but sadly he is in the opposition. We need somebody like him who can be in power and do something for Panjim and Goa at large.
No to corruption has to be the motto, not only in Panaji or in Goa or in I put it all across India. तुम्ही जर पळयशात आज प्रत्येक दिसा पेपराचेर स्कॅमा शिवाय पेपरूच नसता. एक तर पेजाचेर फाटल्या पेजीर स्पोर्ट्स, पहिल्या पेजीर स्कॅम आणि मदीं कोण मेल्ले बिल्ले तांचे सोडून आनी काय पेपराचेर नासतात. सो हे जर पळोवंक वचत तुमी जाल्यार हे जे स्कॅम आसा पणजेन आतां कितले स्कॅम म्हणून जाले. एडीसी म्युनिसिपालिटी काय बरी आशिल्ली, बरें करपा खातीर म्हणून ताचें कॉर्पोरेशन केलें, पूण ते कॉर्पोरेशनाचें सगळो सत्यानाश जावन पडला. सो म्हजे लोकांक सांगपाचें आसा की तुमी हे पळय स्कॅमस्टरां तांकां भायर मारात तुमी, पूण स्कॅमस्टरा बरोबर सुद्दां जे पळय लोक एसोसिएटेड आसा तांकांय तुमकां वोट दिनासतना भायर दवरचें पडटलें. कित्याक फाल्यां त्या ग्रुपान ते जशे गेले ते तांच्या बरोबर रावन परतें आशिल्लें तशें स्कॅम जातलें. कित्याक हरशीं सुद्दां गव्हर्मेंट जर तुमकां क्लीन जाय न्ही जाल्यार सगळे क्लीन मनशांक बरोबर हाडचें पडटलें, नाजाल्यार जायना तें. नाजाल्यार कितें आसा आतां पळय आमचें स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट चल्लां तशें जातलें. एक 7-8 जाण चोरतात आनी बाकीच्यांक तांकां सपोर्ट करचो पडटा, तशें जाता तें. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल अनलेस यू गो फॉर अ टोटल करप्शन फ्री administration.
All these problems emanate from the basic problem of corruption. If there was no corruption, things would have been 100 times better. We are a very efficient people, we Indians, and especially Goans are very efficient people. But that efficiency, that love for the city, love for your road, love for your state, love for your country is totally lost once you have taken up to corruption. And today corruption has become a way of life in Goa, which is very sad. And unless this is eliminated, we will not be able to solve any problems. And I'm afraid, not for myself, for my generation, but I am concerned about the future and the future of our children. As a father, in special, I am growing children. I sometimes wonder how they are going to sustain themselves, how they are going to live in a place where only muscle and money plays an important role. And अशें चलत जाल्यार आमी सगळे काबार जातले. आयज आमी अर्दे काबार जाले आनी हें सोंपना जाल्यार करप्शन हांगासर आमी सारके खलास जातले. This is my personal view, and without any inhibition, I'm not talking of any political or any this is a very sincere advice from the heart of a person who is 70 years old.